Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to restore your Ton wallet using a recovery phrase. First of all, download and open the Ton Keeper application. If you don't have the app installed, download the Ton Keeper application from your device app store or Play Store. Now you can see Import Wallet option on a welcome screen. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase. Make sure to enter the words in the correct order. Ensure that there are no typos or extra space. After entering the recovery phrase, the application will verify if it's correct. If entered properly, you will be able to proceed. Once the wallet is restored, set up a new passcode or enable biometric authentication to secure the wallet on the device. Your Ton wallet and balance will be restored and you will have access to your funds and transaction history. Always keep your recovery phrase safe and secure. Anyone with access to it can restore and access your wallet, so avoid sharing it or storing it on unsecured location. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.